Whoa. What's up everybody, it's Tony aka Natural Boss, and in this video I'm going to be doing something very different. I'm actually going to be doing a style this time, or somewhat of a style. I'm not doing a product review. I want to just try something a little different. So today I'm going to be using Curlformers. So I bought one pack. I don't know if there's a bigger pack or a smaller pack or whatever, but the pack that I have has 20, yeah, it's 40 sorry, it has 40 Curlformers, 20 of each color, and all the length on all of them are the same, the sizes are the same. The only difference in the color is one curls one way and then one curls the opposite way, so you can just kind of keep that in mind. So it came in a nice little case. I don't even know where that case is. And then it actually gives you two of these. This is like a little crochet needle or whatever that you kind of use to pull your hair through the Curlformers. And so they have instructions. I read those already. I really don't know what I'm doing. I put some of these in my sister's hair a long time ago, probably like 10 years ago. And you know, everything's easier to do in somebody else's hair, but when it comes to your own hair, you know, it's a whole different story. So I will be using, my hair is wash conditioned. I got some leave-in conditioner in it. I'm going to be using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And my hair is still, you know, a little damp, of course. And I'm also going to be using this Nutriplenish multi-use hair oil that they say is worth $45. I always bring that up because I can't believe this little bit of oil is worth $45, but I'm just going to use this to add a little extra, to seal in the moisture and add a little extra shine. Actually, I'm going to put that on my hair right now. So I just to let you guys know, I'm really good at doing other people's hair, but to be honest, I know I have a natural hair channel and everything. I'm not that good at doing my own hair. I can do twist outs. I can twist like crazy, but pretty much other things I'm like more experimenting. So the thing is, you want to, when you're doing a style like this, you want to make sure your hair is really detangled, because if your hair is all scrabbly and it's not smooth when you put in the rollers, when you take the Curlformers, when you take them out, it's not going to have that smooth look. Also, since I only brought one pack, which has a total of 40 Curlformers, you got to kind of have a game plan before you start, because you can't get started and then run out of them, because then it's like, what are you going to do? But anyway, so let's get this party started. And I'm just going to say it right now, just in case you guys notice this, my ends need trimming, but I brought my scissors out, but I don't know if I'm going to trim my ends as I go or not. I might just wait till my next wash day. Just a little bit of foam. I'm combing that through because, like I said, I want it to be as smooth as possible. And so I really don't know what I'm doing. So I know that you put I'm remembering correctly and from what the instructions said, so you put it in here, you kind of like thread this into the Curlformer, and then you leave the little piece stuck out like that. Actually, I'm gonna take this towel off, it's just getting in my way. Okay, and then they say to twist it a little bit, then stick it in the hook. The hook should be pointing towards your head, and then you want to hold the Curlformer up close to your head while pulling the hair through. Like that. I can't believe I did it that good. Wow. Okay, so if it looks a little, I remember this from doing my sister's hair. If it looks a little strange, that will just pop back into place like that. Now the front, I know I'm going to be able to do okay, but it's the back that's going to be the problem. And I know you guys are probably thinking, why don't you just have your sister do your hair? My sister cannot do hair whatsoever. I mean, she can't do nothing with her hair. Anytime her hair looks good, it's because I did it. So I don't want her touching my hair. I'm probably using way too much of this mousse on my hair too. Now you want to kind of get it as close as you can to the scalp, but it's not going to be really perfect. I know when I'm doing it, it ain't going to be perfect, but whatever. So let me just do one more. When you're twisting it, you can twist as close to the scalp as you want. Put that in there. Pull this up close to the scalp. Hold it right there. And some reason it's not. Okay, there it goes. This one didn't go through near as smooth. I don't know what I did wrong. Okay, that's not good. What am I doing? Okay. Okay, as you see, my hair is all tangled up on here. Not good. Start all over. Twist. Put it in the hook. Yeah, I didn't have that up far enough or something. Then they say hold this towards your head. Now, I think that's gonna go through. Okay, that one was still harder. I hope that one turns out. Since I have to do this every time, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what. But anyway, this is what it should look like so that your curls turn out perfect. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and just finish my hair. I'm doing pink on this side and orange on that. And who knows what this is going to turn out like, but we're gonna see. Okay, it took me about 45 minutes to complete this. I don't know if it takes everybody else that long. I don't know if you guys are gonna see the footage or whatever. I just had really no clue what I was doing on my own hair. I can do it on somebody else's, but on mine, I just was really struggling. Yeah, doing the back of your hair is hard. I don't know how people cornrow their own hair, all that kind of stuff. I just can't do that. But anyway, so this is it. So the whole point, well, one of the points of the Curlformers is that you can have heatless curls. It's nighttime now. It's too late. I can't just sit and let this air dry. I don't really care about it being heatless. I gotta sit in the dryer for a little while, and then unfortunately, I don't believe these were made to sleep on, but I'm gonna have to sleep with these things in my hair, and I'm just gonna be sleeping on my face, I guess, because there's no way. I'm not tender-headed at all, but my head feels a little bit sore, and it's probably something I was doing wrong. I don't know, but yeah, this is it. These are the Curlformers. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow after this dries completely and let you guys see the results. I really don't have any expectations because I just don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. I think I said I was gonna sit it in the dryer. Well, I lied, you guys. I just let it air dry, and because my hair, as I was doing it, it was starting to get dry already, so I didn't think it was gonna be soaking wet. And plus, it's been now, I did it like yesterday evening. I mean, it's been probably almost 24 hours, so it should be dry by now without even using the dryer. I think most people don't sleep with these, and I attempted to sleep with them. I did sleep with them, but I only got like 2 hours of sleep because these things hurt, you guys. It's crazy. It's not even like regular rollers or whatever. These things hurt so bad. But anyway, I was able to get a couple hours of sleep, so here I am. So let me just start by taking out one of these. You guys, I haven't had my hair any kind of roller set or curls like this probably in like at least 10 years or something. Whoa. Okay. Okay, let me take out the rest of these. So what do you guys think? I'm trying to get close up here. I've never had my hair like this before. My hair feels so soft, so a lot of body foam wrap lotion. So it has hold, but it just, my hair is just soft. It doesn't feel crunchy or anything at all. I don't even know what to do with this. I feel like right now I look like some kind of cross between Snoop Dogg, Barry White, and maybe like the Cowardly Lion on the Wizard of Oz or something like that. I don't know. I don't even know what to do with this. I think I'm supposed to separate it a little bit. You guys know I hate separating my stuff, but I can't just let it stay like this. It's just really weird. It's weird. I like it, but I just never had my hair like this. I think if I just keep playing with it, it's gonna like maybe unravel, or maybe I need to do this or something. I don't know. I don't want it to get frizzy. Okay, there, that looks much better. I just found out my hair dried so good. Like my hair is completely dry. Nothing, it's not damp in any spots or anything. Those Curlformers would be an excellent way to stretch my hair, because I said I want to start wearing more stretch styles a little bit. So I think that would really work. I still don't know what to do with this. I think I need to like go like this or something. Yeah, I should put some style to it, something like that. I don't really know what to do as far as styling this. Oh, it looks kind of good like that. Not like that. Yeah, I don't know really what to do with as far as styling this. I think I could just wear it like this. I think so. You guys, I like this. It's weird. I never thought I would like some spiral curls like this or whatever. Curlformers. This is crazy. Yeah, so this is it. So if you like this video, thumbs up. I don't know what footage is going to be in the video by the time I publish this, but I did struggle on quite a few pieces. I just couldn't get the hang of it or whatever. But if you've tried Curlformers before and you have any tips, because definitely if I want to do this again, I want it to be easier, and just following their instructions just was not working for me. But if you have any tips or anything, let me know what that is. If you do roller set stuff, I highly recommend this Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This stuff is good. It makes my hair so soft and so shiny, and plus it has hold. It's really weird. Yeah, but comment and give me some tips on this, or also if you guys want me to try some other styles on my hair, some different stuff. That's what I'm trying to do now. Let me know what that is. If you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.